Hello friends, in this video we intend to review different deposit methods in the Quotex Broker. To view the different methods, you click on Deposit. We enter the deposit section where the first method is Visa Mastercard. The minimum deposit with Visa Mastercard is $50 and the maximum is $500. In some countries, it is possible to deposit with a credit or debit card, and you just need to enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Payments are usually processed instantly. However, in some countries, this card may require an international card. So check this matter before depositing and engaging in activities. The second method for depositing is cryptocurrencies, which is one of the most common methods for depositing through cryptocurrencies. USDT is an example, and we choose the TRC20 network. The minimum deposit is $10, and the maximum is $50,000. If you wish, you can watch the tutorial on depositing USDT TRC20 on Quotex on our YouTube channel. Please note that these transactions in the crypto section may take between 5 to 30 minutes. One of the advantages of cryptocurrencies is that they are free from banking restrictions and have low fees. The third method is e-payments, which refers to electronic wallets, and the Quotex Broker supports the FK wallet, electronic wallet. The minimum deposit with this wallet is $10 and the maximum is $182. One of the advantages of the FK wallet is the high speed in processing transactions and strong support for users from different countries. And our suggestion to you is to update your browser to use the FK wallet and ensure that your internet connection is stable, because the payment process is done directly with the FK wallet. Well, friends, this was an overview of the different deposit methods in the Quotex Broker. Good luck.